Hi guys and welcome back to Extreme Garage with me, Lawrence. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, I've been offered a bike for a measly 20 quid. It was basically just a drink. The chap rang me up yesterday and he said, Lawrence, I've got this bike. It's been in my yard for 3-4 years. Just come and take it away and give me a drink for it. So I said, how much was a drink? Yeah, 20 quid. 20 quid, he's done it. So this is what I bought. So it's a 1989 Kawasaki GPZ 500S. Where's the S? Very important for super sport. It's a twin cylinder, 4-stroke engine. This has been in a yard without cover for 3-4 years. Back in the day, this would have been a cracking bike, this would have been. But I want to see if it starts. Right, I know the tank was loose on it, so, oh hang on, comes with a key. So, I gave the chap 20 quid. Filthy. Let's see if it starts. Tank. Empty, very bitty, probably useless. No battery, just the ECU. Where are the connectors? Where are the connectors? Right there, there's my posi, there's my negative. So yeah, I have stuff lying around everywhere. Got me a brand new battery just sitting there from somewhere else. Will it fit? Positives on the right hand side on this one. Okay, it's not going to fit in there. Okay, what we're going to do, I think we use the other method of jumper leads connected down to the battery, which I'm going to put on the floor here. Jumper leads from there to there. What more do you want? So I carry these under the seat of my other bike. Anything at all? Oh, we have got lights. We have got lights. That. It's in neutral. The choke's wedged. Okay. Let's just see if it'll turn over. Okay, battery. Okay, battery is not got enough juice in it. So what I'm going to do, stick that on charge for a bit, and then we'll come back to it. So while that's charging up, why have I got this and what am I planning to do with this? So the only thing this is good for, if it runs, is the engine. So restoring a bike is not extreme, and this is extreme garage. So what do we need to do? If this engine runs, I've always wanted to do it, I'm going to stick a turbo on it. Always wanted to, so why not? Let's do it. After that, the engine's coming out. Now, what are we doing with this engine? So, a couple of thoughts I've had. Because it's only a 500cc and it's only a twin, and it's going to have a turbo on, so it's going to be a little bit pokey. I was thinking drift trike, but a 3-seater drift bike, something a bit different. Whether the physics behind that's going to work, I don't know. But we keep the whole front end. And then obviously we chop it away from here, use the engine, 3 seats, some big tyres. Let's see if we can make something. And if you like the t-shirts to wear, this is what I do in the daytime. I make t-shirts. This is one of our brands. Bloke, go and check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. So let me have your thoughts on what I should do with the engine. So yeah, I think trike. You let me know in the comments below what you think we should be doing with the engine if it's running and after we've stuck a turbo on it. Let's go extreme. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't checked out my fire engine, I'll put a link in the description below, or click on the link up here and watch it when you finish watching this. I haven't forgot about the fire engine. For those of you who are here for the fire engine, sorry. I'm waiting for some daylight. I'm busy at the moment with my work commitments, so I'm dealing with that in the week, and because the nights are getting darker, I'm struggling to do some videos in the light, so I've got to wait till the weekend. So hopefully, weather being well, I'm going to get back on the fire engine. But for while I've got some space in the warehouse and I can fit a vehicle in here, we'll play with this one for a bit. So I've got loads of projects coming up. I've got a Rover, good old Rover. I've got a Rover over there that we're going to play. I've got a very rare, very, very, very rare motorcycle over there that I will show one of the days. And as I've said before, I'm no mechanic. I just like playing with things. I like seeing how things work, taking them apart. They don't necessarily go back together as they would do, just like my Rover, which has been apart that many times I've forgot. So let's try this again then. Let's try this again. Negative to negative, positive to positive. Yeah, it's a give and 8. So power connected. Can we get it to turn over? Ignition's on. We got lights on. We don't want lights. How'd you turn the blinking lights off? No. Why have I got a high beam on? Ah. Lights are off. I'm going to save some battery now. That is a very good start. So, it's turning over. We need some fuel. We need to siphon some fuel out here. That's always a good fun. I need a bottle of water. So I've got a water bottle and I got some pipe. Let's go and siphon some petrol. It's been a very long time since I've siphoned any petrol out of anything. See, from what I've learnt over the years, use clear pipe, so at least then you don't get it in your mouth. Well, he says. So, there we go. Petrol. Some petrol. We'll use that. Alright, I could make the thing here, but I'm going to pour it in. It's more fun. The reason why I haven't put the tank on and put some in the tank is because the tank, there's that much rubbish in the tank. I'm just going to get it in the engine. So, let's give that a little try. Fingers crossed. Someone's telling me I need more fuel in there. That ain't enough fuel. Alright, should we give that another little blast and see what happens? Bearers on. Chokes on. Oh, Lawrence. Come on. Oh, it wanted to. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm going to burn out the, yeah, as you just saying then, most of you, stop it, because you're going to burn the starter motor out. You're right. But she was trying to go. So I think the battery was sounding like it was a little bit limp. So I'll put it on charge a bit longer now. I reckon it's going to go in a minute. There we go. Look at that. Good old 1980s, early 1990s style. So you got your speedo and you got temperature, but as many classic classic bike enthusiasts will know, having a petrol gauge was an absolute luxury. You'd wait till you run out and then you just twist your dial on the side from the tank to reserve, and then you run on reserve until you get to a petrol station. But it's water cooled, 2-cylinder. Look at the absolute state of it. It's absolutely filthy. Look at that. It's absolutely. They're my makeshift connections. Lovely. But yeah, she's not in the best of condition. She's been outside for a very, very, very long time. But I think if we get this engine running, I think she'll be a corker to whack a turbo on. Wouldn't she? I mean, the twin exhausts. For those of you who are fans of twin exhausts. This side's not much better, really. No. So there we go. Yeah. And the bonus thing is, if it does set on fire in here, I can always call in the fire engine. Only problem is there's no water in it at the moment. So that'd be quite embarrassing, wouldn't it, really? It'd actually be highly embarrassing. But there's a tap out there anyway. Just use a tap for now. Right. So I've now emptied the whole of that into the carbs and into the petrol pipe. Hopefully you can hear me over the rain. We're going to try this once more with a bit more charge in it. I'm very confident that we're going to get going now. Power on. Bit more choke on. Oh, it's getting faster. Yeah, it's going to be flooded now, isn't it? Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Give it a breather for a second. Come on. Oh. Oh. Come on. 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 Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Sounding a little bit bangy, but. Three to 4 years stuck outside. I am well chuffed and not very smoky either at all. Smells a bit iffy, but one more go. Off. First press. Go on then, one more. Right, choke's off now. One first press. Probably running out of fuel now. So it runs. What we'll do over the weekend is I'll whack the seat on it and I'll go and see if it rides. And by then, I'd have decided what I want to do with your help, with the engine in it, once I play with it a little bit first. But thinking about it, now we could stay on the sort of firefighting theme with the engine. We could make another vehicle, maybe like this drift trike I wanted to make, but how about a firefighting drift trike? We stick a pump on it, use some of the equipment we use off the Dennis, some of the hoses and the branches, and we see if we can make the first drift trike firefighting vehicle. Now that would be quite interesting, but let me know your thoughts on this. If you like this video and if you want to see what we can end up doing with this, and then as well, back to the fire engine, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload. And I'll leave you with the sound of engines.